Okay, hi guys. I know I haven't been here in a long booty time, but I'm here and I'm back with an updated baby hair tutorial. Stay tuned if you want this, you know, tutorial on, I don't even know how to call it. I think it's soft baby hair, fluffy baby hair, wispy baby hair, curly baby hair tutorial. Okay, whatever it is, if you searching it up, it's here, sis. Cause you remember I did a video like last year. Oh, and I got monetized, so I'm gonna get paid. So guys, you know, while you peeing or dropping the fishes in the bowl, just watch my ads, you know, for like 5 seconds and you'll be alright. You'll be alright. You don't gotta rush. Thank you for watching, guys, and thank you for being so supportive of me. I'm probably gonna have, you know, I'm gonna do something nice for y'all, maybe a nice video, me doing the jerk or the Soulja Boy, you know, like a 2,000 subscriber special. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to mold it out. So normally I do it with wrapping foam, but I don't have any here, so I'm gonna use my Murray's beeswax. And I do it with a spoolie, but mine broke, so I'm gonna use a tiny one, but that's after. So take a little bit of this, you just move it around to where you want it, to how you want it to look. So I'm gonna just go like this. Remember, we just molding. And you're probably gonna have to pull out your flat iron again. All depends on what you're trying to do. That's kind of how I want it to look. And I'm gonna use my favorite edge control. It doesn't go on your hair red, so don't worry about it. And if any of y'all want to know about this edge control, I'm gonna put it in my description box below. And I try not to use OD of the edge control because it doesn't give you like a soft hold. It actually holds your hair down. Because like when you do soft baby hairs like this, like fluffy baby hairs, you want something that's gonna hold your hair but not make it like sleek. See, you're gonna have to move some pieces with your fingers and stuff, you feel me? And when doing these baby hairs on your natural hair, I honestly don't suggest to do it in the summer because you're gonna sweat them edges out, girl. Do it on your wig, if anything, like unless your hair is straight or whatever, or you find like a good edge control that's gonna keep the shape of this. But other than that, girl, I don't recommend on your natural hair in the summer. It's gonna lose its shape. You just have to like feel it out, move it around. That's how you achieve the perfect soft baby hair, fluffy baby hair look. Just feel it out, girl. Yo, no lie, these may look effortless, but they require a lot of effort. Like a lot. Yo, so do y'all think that it's the end of the times? Because this weather's not giving me summer 2016 at all. Or 2014. None of that. This weather's giving me apocalypse. I'm gonna still be doing my baby hairs.